But unfortunately, it does not really happen, isn't it? We can see everywhere throughout the world same situation, but still why we strive for eternal life, happy life, blissful life? Why? Because Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Supreme Father for all the living entities, He has got three qualities called Sat, Chit, Ananda. Sat means eternal, Chit means knowledgeable, full of knowledge, and Ananda means bliss, happiness. So, Lord Krishna, the Supreme Father, is eternal. For Him, there is no birth, no death. He is always happy, blissful. So, being His part and parcel, we are also of the same nature. None of us want to die. As it is said that when Yudhishthira Maharaj was asked about the most surprising thing in the world, what is the most surprising thing in the world, then Yudhishthira Maharaj answered that every day living entities are going to the court of Yamaraj. That means dying, giving up their bodies. But still, those who are existing, they don't think of dying, they don't think of death. This is a very surprising thing.